Hi traders, good morning. Time now is 9:02 a.m. in the morning New York time. So we are now live day trading crude oil market, WTI NYMEX. This is February 2020 contract CLG 0. So at this moment we have a good buy signal, which will be we will go for a buy position at 61.91. So as you can see here, 61.91. So I have to queue my buy stop limit order at 61.91 over here. And apart from that, still waiting. Hopefully the market will go for the okay. We in the market. So hopefully this will be a quick epic trade. I will go for a fast movement. So let's take a look on the okay market is rise up. So I will enlarge this this chart. So you can see I'm already in the position. So during the London session I'm short sell multiple time and also take a profit, a good one, although it's a quick but a good one, about 400. And so now we try to reverse back the market because there's a sign of a reversal on the market, and hopefully the market can go sustain far above. So our stop loss will be somewhere here at 40, 61.40, and we are in the market with if I can make one more small okay. It's quite heavy. So we in the market at 91.91, 61.91, and at this moment we are minus 2. So you can see over here. So this is my current PNL, the UPL. So there's let's take a look on the volume. There's a high volume waiting at 61.95. So things are good up. The market did rise up. So I will have to change this one to a smaller time frame to see whether this can be seen clearly at much more better price movement. So I'm using multiple chart here because it's quite important for me to go into the market. So we have been in the market for about 2 minutes, so a good indication that the market will go further up. So let's wait. So this can triangle here is my entry. So by the way, this is time frame 5 minutes. Let me enlarge it so you can see it better and use candle. Okay, looks nice. The target is 62.21. Might exit earlier if possible. So we are 70, 60, 86. Okay, let's wait. It looks good at this moment. We are 110, 120. Keep rising up. It was a fast one actually. So let's have a look nicely. This candle now, the recent the latest high is 6206. We are entering 61.91, so we are about 15 ticks. So the highest just now reaching 150 US dollar in profit. I guess we're going to have a good one. Hopefully there's maybe there's support a line over here, which also can become the resistance line, and the target is around here 62.21. The market might go further up to 62.25. So let's take a look on the price level whether there's a high volume waiting on the higher side. So we don't see any pretty much high volume except at 62.08 on the lower side. Okay, but still we're in the good position, 110. So if you want to to exit now, is a good choice as well. You can make your own judgment to exit at your will. So okay, looks like a reversal. So price maintain around 6200. Hopefully this will not be the support for tonight. Hopefully the market will prevail to the higher side. Okay, looks good. You can see 140, which means we are about 14 ticks, 15 ticks, 12 ticks above the position. You can see over the depth of market here is quite clear that we are in the good position. So there's a high volume waiting at 62.14 and another high at 62.17, but it's not really high, so let's wait for another volume to come in. Hopefully the price will go for the high to 62.15. So that's mean we are about around 24 ticks, so which is quite good. And this will be a very fast move. Market open at 8:02. We did enter the market at 8:02 a.m. Chicago time. New York time is at 9:02 a.m. in the morning. So now we are about 6 minutes in the market. So we have a plus of 150. So this is a day trade. This is how I do my day salary for trading. So should be enough with one lot position size during at the beginning of the US session. So this is quite a stable setup. So there's a link in description below. Feel free to click on it, and I will direct you to the private channel. So in this channel you will receive a signal from me, and your price keep going up. So now it's 6208. So let's wait whether the price can penetrate 6215. So I'm ready to sell at market because so 160 keep going up, 170. So we are reversing the market. So 62.15 also is quite a good to exit, although price I might go to 62.25. So let's wait. Okay, now the price a slight gap you can see over here, a slight one, but hopefully it touch 62.15. So let's wait. Okay, we can see there's a high volume waiting at 62.14. I'm ready to exit the market immediately. Okay, 62.20, 74. This is what we want. Okay, no more at this moment. I'm still waiting. So let's wait. Let's wait some more. Okay, so we're still waiting the market to punch further high. The price tag at 62.08. Yes, we are not far from the, I think this line is the support line. I might become the resistance line, but I don't trade the support and resistance. I just use my own setup. This is a special setup. Okay, now profit now is 180. So actually today we have a short position during a London session. So during London session we have this one is 180. During London session we have a good profit. Let's take a look. 390. So now it's 180, 210. At this moment we are okay, looks good. So we will exit our position. So we will exit our position, or still waiting. I'm suggesting with my live signal to exit at 62.15. So let's take a look. Our position now 220. I think good enough. Will that be a good enough indication? So there's a high volume waiting at 62.20. So I'm targeting for the market to reach this kind of price level in case the price reverse back to 62.10. I think I will exit, or yeah, I probably will exit at a market. So there's a large volume, it's very volatile, so large volume at 62.20. So now we have 22 ticks, looks good. 24 ticks, 25 ticks, getting higher. Okay, we exit. Okay, we are exit. So we hit the target. So even though the target is 62.21, so we exit earlier at 62.18. So the was a good trade today, 450 in total, because 3 trade during London session. So which is I'm short sell the market, short sell scalping about 20 ticks with 2 position size and one lot position size in the loss during London session. So for now we have been able to reach around I exit at 18, entering at 61.91. You saw it just now. Should be around 18 plus 9 is 27, so which is 27 ticks. So our total summary for our account at this moment stood at 3,948. 3,948, which is quite good. We are almost doubling our account on the 7th day of trading days, and now I think that's it. We might end our trading for today early, because we reach a good profit. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. I think that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. By the way, there's a lot of link in description below. Feel free to click on it, so it might be helpful for you guys. This is a live trading, and you can see the time now, Chicago time. What you can compare it to your chart and the actual chart. So this is a live data, live account with AMP futures. You can compare it anything. This is the profit today is $450 US. So this is a good day salary. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.